and welcome to Animal News.
Breaking news. In recent discoveries, ecologist Florence Fendi has discovered a new species that is located in the Antarctic tundra.
We will now see Lorena with more information.
Thank you, Fletcher. And as you can see, our team has traveled from Australia to the Arctic to see this fantastic brand new animal right in front of us. Here with me is eyewitnesses to see this moment. So, what does it look like?
Well, kind of big. Well, I think maybe like the lady that came on before. Oh, will I be on TV?
Yes.
Yeah. Hi.
Describe the animal's features.
A head, eyes, ears, yeah.
Could you describe in more detail?
Very furry with claws.
The lady before mentioned that you look quite like the Bear Ox. Do you agree?
Excuse me?
Oh my god. So, where did you see this amazing animal?
Well, it was kind of just like wandering around on the top of a hill. I don't know what it was doing, honestly, but it was just wandering, yeah.
Did anything happen?
Well, I did see it attacking any animal it sees. I'm not sure why, but it just went insane and it just got kill. I don't know why.
Oh wait, by the way, your sunglasses. The two previous eyewitnesses were wearing sunglasses. So is there a sunglasses trend here?
Well, in Antarctica, because everything's white because of the snow and, sun's blaring on us, it makes everything really bright and it's way too bright for my eyes, so I wear sunglasses.
Okay.
Delicious, nutritious, and yummy in my tummy.
And as you can see, the Berox has structural adaptations like claws to dig in the snow, to catch food, and to protect itself. Paws to swim and to go to other parts of the Arctic and to walk or move. This animal uses its fluffy tail as a weapon. Fur on the Berox keeps it warm. Also, during the winter, the color of the fur changes to pure white, so it can camouflage with the snow. This animal also has a thick layer of blubber just underneath the skin to keep it nice and warm. This animal also has strong hearing, so it can hear the footsteps of other animals trying to attack it. The Berox has physiological adaptations like when this animal sees another animal, it goes crazy and bites and kills it and will eat it. Thus, you must be careful around this animal. It is a carnivore. Its senses go crazy. It's also very, very, very violent. Behavioral adaptations. This animal has behavioral adaptations like this. This animal has antlers, and when it's time to reproduce, the animal looks up in the air and they all make a specific noise, and they find a mate and migrate back to the homeland to reproduce, which is up in the north of the Arctic tundra. The Berox's homeland is in the northern part of the Arctic, but they have scattered all over the Arctic now. This animal eats fish but also eats meat. This animal shelters in dens. The tundra biome is treeless. Here are some abiotic factors. Number 1. The temperature in the Arctic is around minus 34 degrees Celsius in the winter. The average Arctic summer temperature is 3 to 12 degrees Celsius. In the Arctic, winters are long and cold, but summers are short and cool. Number 2. The Arctic receives approximately 254 centimeters of precipitation a year, but mostly snowfall. Number 3. In the Arctic tundra, there is dry winds. Number 4. Gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide help living organisms to stay alive in the Arctic regions. Animals and plants breathe in the oxygen and release the carbon dioxide. Number 5. One unique characteristic of the Arctic tundra is permafrost. It is a ground that is permanently frozen. Because the permafrost has no cracks or pores, nothing can penetrate it, neither plant roots or water. The surface layer above the permafrost thaws each summer. This layer is called the active layer. Thickness of the active layer depends on its location in the tundra. The more northerly the location, the thinner the active layer is. Here are some biotic factors of the Arctic tundra. Number 1. There are other wildlife that live in the Arctic tundra, such as snowy owls, reindeers, polar bears, white foxes, lemmings, Arctic hares, wolverines, caribou, migrating birds, mosquitoes, and black flies. Number 2. Plants like heads and mosses have to adapt to the very long and cold winters because the sun does not come up during these winter times. These organisms contain good nutrients which are vital for any environment. Number 3. There are different types of fungi in the Arctic. Since they rely on dead animals, many varieties of fungi can thrive in these type of environments, since they survive by decomposing organic remains and can grow in the absence of sunlight. Number 4. Some fishes are in the tundra. These fish include the small Arctic cod and the salmon. They normally swim in the water on the border of the tundra. Fish are alive, so they are biotic.
Thank you for watching Animal News. Special thanks to Kiko, Claire,